Argentina come again. With Messi, he'll go for goal here. Oh my goodness gracious me! If one man could win a football match, it would be Lionel Messi. Iran hearts have broken, and Lionel Messi surely just sent Argentina, unconvincingly it has to be said, through to the round of 16. Oh, he struggled over, curled into the net. That is vintage Messi. It's Argentina 1, Iran 0.
And there's just time for De Bruyne to lead this attack. Japan desperate to cover the spaces. They can't do so for the moment. Lukaku, and here's a winner! Oh, can you believe it? Nasser Chadli strokes Belgium into a quarter-final against Brazil. Players forward looking to win it themselves. Courtois with a lovely rollout here to De Bruyne. It was a brilliant counter-attack from Belgium. It was high quality. And there...
Taremi's in the middle. Wales back in numbers. Allen with the clearance, not too far. Chance for the shot on goal, and it's in! And Iran have won it with virtually the final kick of the match. Chesney. It's only his second goal ever for Iran. Wow.
Great touch.
Provided here by Antonio Valencia, who's found his way inside the penalty area. There's support here as well. Oh, he took too long. He took too long and allowed Barakhaih to get in with the challenge. Who writes another foul? The referee's giving the advantage to Switzerland here. Maybe they've got the sucker punch. Rodriguez. Mekmani wants it. Rodriguez! Oh, they've got a winner! With less than 30 seconds to play, Harry Seferovic! It's another super substitution for Switzerland. Seferovic wins it for the Swiss. The very last. Rodriguez again is a goal provider.
Kroos will go for it and score! Heartbreak for him. But an inspirational moment from Toni Kroos. Well, when they're down, when they are tested, they find a way to win for the Swedes, who are so close to having their fate in their own hands.
Coat-minus, smart, 2-2, extraordinary, 101 minutes! Veghorst, and the immediate future is still orange.
When it mattered most. What about this? Oh.
Mitroglou, Papastathopoulos lets it run, great save, there's the equaliser, there is the equaliser, Greece have done it again.
Still springs eternal for the Brazilians. It's there for Jesus, they've got it, it didn't matter that it's the 90th minute, Brazil have found their goal, and it's Philippe Coutinho who has sniffed it out for them. Costa Rica are devastated. All that pressure, all that effort that they've put into keeping a clean sheet, everything that Keylor Navas has done, that when it really mattered, in the 90th minute, Brazil have found. Coutinho popped it into the net. Not even Navas can keep this one out of his net. And Brazil's golden goal comes on Costa Rica 0. Brazil are headed for the top of Group E. Tute is headed for a tumble on the deck. That's how the Brazilian coach celebrates.
Bekele, boruak! Oh, Cameroon! From Douala on the Gulf of Guinea to Marua at its northernmost tip, points between and beyond. Rise and celebrate a moment.
Turns.
He's going to be sent off here, Alan. It's a second yellow and a red for taking his shirt off.
What a ball in, that is. Drifting off his...
Unless we have a most dramatic twist in the final seconds now, into the last 30. Oh, and we have! 30 seconds left, and it's a dream of a cross from Ronaldo. And Varela.
Flick towards the near post, bouncing around dangerously, and South Korea have scored! Can you believe it? Germany are going out of this World Cup. Kim Jong-kwon. Defended, isn't it, on the way through? It touches Zula. Has that played him onside? Well, more drama with the VAR. The goal counts. Germany are going home from this World Cup. It wasn't offside. South Korea's stoppage time goal, I think, confirms Germany's demise.